Hello, everyone. I'm Grass, from the Cave and his friends, and today, we're going to fight against my friends. And so, here we go! Hey, Grass. Hey, there, River. Do you want to fight all together? Sure, idea, Grass. I love to fight with you guys. Well, here's a fight against you. Watch this.
Meanwhile, with Forrest in the cave.
Hello, my lovely friend. How was your day at Adventurenia?
Well, Mr. Cave, here is another fight against you.
Well, that's what I'm just saying, but I guess it depends on the situation of Adventurenia.
And so, Dark Cave, who are the most nature creatures of all known to your friends from the world of Adventurenia?
Your friends, your creatures, and my lovely friends, and all those that I lovely to meet us for an adventures trip. And so, would you like to come to our adventures?
You're right. And what about Mud and River?
Meanwhile, with Mud and River.
Hey there, River. I'm just so glad that you're feeling well today. Well, here's a fight against you for again.
Meanwhile, with Snowstorm and Puddles.
Hi Puddles, would you like to come over my snowland with me?
No, Snowstorm. Here's a fight against you. So, watch me, you big girly.
And so, The Cave and His Friends is made by January 2023 to January 2024, and which means that Green Eggs and Ham, the third serving, is also made by February 2024 to July 2024 from this date. And thanks for watching, signing off. This is Cave, and goodbye my lovely friends.